From the following budgeted data, forecast the cash position for 6 months. As per this, 80,000, 130, 197, 251, 251, 310. We'll go for additional information. What is the cash balance in the month of July? It is 1 lakh. We start our problem with 240 and 3,50,000. Now, once if it is done, what we have to do? 50%, 1,60,000 into 50%, how much? So what is your sales actually? Your sales is 160, 180, 224. Hello everyone, this is your Arasa here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the session 17 of your topic called accounting, and in accounting we are discussing the topic budgeting. Under budgeting, which topic we are discussing today? In the previous session I gave you small introduction about cash budget, and I'll show you how the cash budget will be. We'll go slowly and we will understand. So we'll go with concepts and we go with problems. Your cash budget, I'll fill all these pages later. Before that, I'll go to question. From the following budgeted data, forecast the cash position for 6 months ended on 31st December 2008. Now, these are the 6 months we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total sales we have, material we have, wages, production overhead, and selling and distribution overhead. These are the informations we have. You have to see that sales is income, material expenses, wages expenses, production overhead expenses, selling and distribution also expenses. You know what is income and what are expenses. Then we'll go for additional information. What is the cash balance in the month of July? It is 1 lakh. We start our problem with 1 lakh. Then a new machinery is to be installed at rupees 1,40,000 on credit to be repaid by 2 equal installment, September and November. This 1,40,000 paid in 2 installment. One will be September, another one will be November. So how much? This will be 70,000 and this will be 70,000. So in the cash budget, the major you have to remember is when it is paid. What month or which month it is paid, that month has to be considered. Then 50% of the purchase of material and sales are for cash. This I'll show you how it is. 50% cash and balance 50% will be credit. 50% of the debtors means what? Sales. And pay in the following month of sales, and the remaining in the second month. I'll show you how it is. Now, these things I'll explain you while doing the working note. Creditors are paid in the month of following the month of purchase. This also I'll explain you. Next, delay in payment of wages, half month, production overhead 1/4 and per month, and selling and distribution overhead 1/8. Whatever problem I have taken today, I don't want to do 10 problems. Do 1 problem with all concept, that is sufficient. So concentrate this easiest one if you understand. Then sales commission at 10% on sales are payable in the month of following after 2 months of sales. Then income from investment, there is a income are to be received 16,000 in September and December. So 16,000 you have received in the month of September and December. Then rent of 1,500 per month payable in advance for 6 months in the month of 2008. So July, 1,500 into 6, how it will be? How much it will be? 9,000. 9,000 you have collected in the month of July itself. Then rupees 80,000 being the amount of second call pay may be received in December 2008, including share premium of 10,000. Hope you are clear. Yes, 80,000 being the amount of second call may be received in December 2008, including share premium of 10,000. Now, these are the information we have. So this will be your answer actually. Cash budget. Now I'll go one by one. I'll use green color. Whichever I'll circle with green color, we have completed. Again, I'll repeat. Whichever I have circled with green color, that is completed. See, before I do all the coloring and all, please take screenshot. This is your answer. We have many working notes for this, but this will be your final answer. Please take screenshot. Yeah. Now, so opening balance, I told you whichever I'll circle with green color, that is we completed. Now, opening balance, as per the question, what is the opening balance? It is 1 lakh. So, your opening balance is 1 lakh. Hope you are clear. Yes, we done only one amount, that is opening balance. Now, we have to add a receipt. So, we have receipt called sales. Now, how come you got all these things? We'll go for working note. Sales, we go for working note. Now, so they have given in this, new machinery is over, then 50% purchase of material and sales are for cash. 50% for what? Cash. Any cash receipt or cash payment happens when? In the same month. But 50% of the debtors, balance 50%, pay in the following month of sales and the remaining in the second month. I'll give you an example now. So what is the example? Just assume that 100 rupees is your sales. Now, just assume you are in the month of April. April month you have done 100 rupees sales. So as per the information, 50% of the purchase of material and sales for cash. So we are talking about sales here. Out of 100, we collected 50. In the month of what? April. In the month of April itself, we collected 50 rupees. Now, in this, 50% of the data is paid in the following month of sales and remaining second. How to do that? So balance 50, what happened? In this, 25 in the month of, after April what will come? May. And 25 rupees in the month of June. This much only calculation. Clear? Out of 100, 50% of the sales are for cash in the same month. Over. Then 50% of the debtors. So this value we call it as debtors. If it is not paid, we call them as debtors. Now, 50% of the debtors paid in the following month. Out of 50, half, 50% which is paid in the month of May and balance in the next month. That is only your logic. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now I'll go back to your working note. So what is your sales actually? Your sales is 160, 180, 224, 3 lakh, 240 and 3 lakh 50,000. Your working note for sales. First we have to write down everything. 160, 180, 224, 3 lakh, 240 and 3 lakh 50,000. Now, once if it is done, what we have to do? 50%, 1 lakh 60 into 50%, how much? 80. Balance how much? 80. 80 has to be divided to 40, 40. Clear? Out of 160, I'll show you. Out of 160, so 80,000 half in the month of July. And balance 80,000 what happened? August, September. Here 40,000. Here 40,000. Hope you are clear. Similarly, 1,80,000 half is what? 90. 90 half is what? 45. 45 over. Next, 224 half is 120. 112. 112 half is what? 56. 56. 56, 3 lakh half is 150. 150 off is 75. 75. Then 240 off is 120. 120 off is 60. And we are not doing for the next month, so we write only 60. Now, 3 lakh 50 off is 175. We are not doing further because we are restricted up to December. Now, so what is your answer? 80,000, 130, 197, 251, 251 and 310. These are your answer. Now I'll go back to your answer. See, your sales we have taken for all 6 months. As per this, 80,000, 130, 197, 251, 251, 310. Don't worry about these things. Whatever I have marked in green, that is only we completed. If it is not marked, means we have not yet completed. We will complete later. Hope you are clear. Yes. So sales is done. Is there any other income? Yes. I'll show you. So income from investment are to be received 16,000 in the month of September, December. So September and December. Which month it is collected, that month we have to mention. That is over. Then call money 80. This also will check. Is there any other income? Yes. 50% over, debtors over, cash balance over, new machinery is to be installed over, purchase over, 50% over, then delayed payment, will do it later, sales, income from investment, rent, 80,000 being the amount of second call may be received in the month of December, including premium of 10,000. Now, so 80 plus 10, it is how much? 90,000. When you are received? In the month of December, we have to take 90,000. So, in this 90,000. We have done with all your income. Now, we are moving towards payment. Clear? Yes, good. Now, first payment is 1 lakh plus 80,000, 1 lakh 80,000. Remember? Now, first payment is what? Machinery. Machinery, I'll show you. They have given that. Yeah. Delayed payment, sales commission, income from investment, rent is over, 80,000. Next. A new machinery is installed. A new machinery is installed at value of 1,40,000. Means it will be what? 70 in the month of 2 equal means September and November. Now it will be 70,000 and 70,000. It is over. Next we'll go to purchases. Under purchases again we'll go for working out. See, they have mentioned that 50% of the purchases for cash. Half is for what? Cash means what? Same month. Whatever purchases given, half amount is same month. And 50% of the, we don't want debtors. Purchases means creditor. 50% of the remaining, creditors are paid in the month of following month of purchase. 50% now, 50% following month means next month. If it is 100 rupee, I'll show you. If it is 100, 50 in the same month, 50 in the next month. It will be in the April, it will be in the month of May. That's it. Clear? Yes, easiest one. What is your purchases here? This is your purchases. Material means purchases. 150, 120, 120, 180, 170 and we have 2 lakh. I'll go for working note. There is a working note for purchases. Out of 150, 75, 75. Out of 120, 60, 60. 120, 60, 60. 180, 90, 90. 170, 85, 85. 2 lakh, 1 lakh. Next year we are not doing. Add everything. You got 75, 135, 120, 150, 175 and 3 lakh 10,000. Come back and write here 75, 135, 120, 150, 175, 185. Hope you are clear. Good. We're done with this. Next we'll go for rent. Rent I already calculated for you. Rent, see, rent 1500 per month payable in advance for 6 months. 1500 into 6, how much? 9000. Paid in the month of what? July. Now, in the month of July, we have taken 9000. Clear? Yes, I'll show you the working note. 1500 into 6. Over. Next. After this, what is the next one? Sales commission. Again, we'll go for working note. So, sales commission we have. I'll go back to this. Any adjustment for sales commission, we'll see. Sales commission 10% on the sales payable in the month of following after 2 months of sales. Whatever sales you have made, commission is paid after 2 months. Means what? So these are your sales commission. 1,60,000 into 10%. How much it is? 16,000. 16,000 paid when? In the month of September. Like that, 18,000, 22,400, 30,000. Similarly, if you calculate, you will get answer. So it will be how much? 2,24,000. I'll show you how it is. Your sales amount given in the question itself. These are your sales amount. 1,60,000 into 10%, 180 into 10, 224 into 10, 3 lakh into 10, 240 into 10, 350 into 10. Whatever answer you get, you have to take 1,60,000 into 10. How much you will get? 16,000. It is paid what? After 2 months. Means it will be paid in the month of September. On 180, 10%. 18,000 in the month of October. 22,400 November. 30,000 in the month of December. Hope you are clear. Calculate 10% but pay after 2 months. Clear? Now, your commission calculation are these things. So, yeah. So, these are the commissions. 30,000 but paid in the month of this. This 30,000 paid here. This 22,400 paid here. And this 18,000 paid here. Why? Because everything is paid first month, second month, after. 22, first month, second month, after. Like this, they have given. Hope you are clear. Yes. Your commission 16, 18, 22 and 30,000. So your commission is first nil, second also nil, and the third one will be 16,000, 18, 22,400 and 30,000. Commission is over. Good. Next, sales commission is over. Next come for wages. Wages, what they have given. See, wages half month, half now, half later. Half now, half later. I'll show you working note. Before that, what is your wages value? 32, 36, 38, 42, 44, 48. So your wages calculation will be, yes. So 32,000 half now, half later. 36, 18 now, 18 later. 19,000, 19 later. 42 half, 21, 21. 44 half, 22, 22. 48 of 24. Next we are not doing. Add everything, you will get answer. So we have done with your wages also. Wages over, wages over, wages over, wages over. Yeah, wages part is done. What is the next one? Production overhead, selling and distribution overhead. Similar type. Wages we have done half month late, half now, half delay. In this, production overhead quarter later, balance 3/4. Now I'll show you. If it is 100 rupees, 1/4 later, 3/4 now. Just assume that it is in the month of March. March we give. Here it will be April. Half delay, quarter delay means quarter will applicable for next. Out of 100, 75 rupees in the month of March and 25 rupees in the month of April. Always go with logic like this. You will understand better. Now, I'll show you the working note for this. Your production overhead out of 12,800, 3/4 here and 1/4 here. This is what? 3 by 4 and this is 1 by 4. Clear? On what? On 12,800. 12,800 into 3 by 4. 12,800 into 1 by 4. Similarly, take 14,000, 3 by 4, 1 by 4. 16, 3 by 4, 1 by 4. 18, 3 by 4, 1 by 4. 14, 3 by 4, 1 by 4. 18, 3 by 4. Hope you are clear? Yes. Add everything, you get your answer. Similarly, we have done with your selling and distribution overhead also. All the calculation. So, I'll show you what is the ratio they have given. 1 by 8 means 7 by 8 for the same month. Same month. How come 7 by 8? 1 by 8 means 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. It will become 7 by 8. Now, if you do all those calculation, yeah, you will get your selling and distribution and these two. Both you will get from that working note. So, total all the expenses, you will get 1,12,000, 185, 262, 230, 331, 284, 400. How come you got all this total? Total of this. Clear? Now, once you're done with this, 1,80,000 minus 1,12,000. 1,80,000 minus 1,12,900. What is the answer? 67,005. 67,005. What will happen? It will go here. Your closing will be called as opening. I'll show you again. Your closing will become opening. So, yes, done. So, these are your opening balances we got. After that, your opening balance you got means the opening balance will be added minus your answer. 197 minus 185, 11,000. 11,000 will come here. Add everything. 224 minus all this, you get 38. Minus 38, add 251, you will get this minus. You get 17,000 minus 233 minus 331 minus 97. Minus 97 will come here, 318 and you will get 2,84,000. Final answer 33,820. Now we completed everything. So this is your cash budget. Clear? Hope you understood. Like this you are supposed to do. No need to work out any problem. This one problem is sufficient. Clear? Yes. I'll go back to all the slides. Please take screenshot. So this will be your problem. Your adjustments. Adjustment part 2. Your answers. Your working note. Working note 2. Working note 3, working note 4, working note 5, working note 6, working note, yeah. So this is all about your today's session. It was lengthy but easiest one. Please work out at home. So video you can pause and play so that you will understand better. Thank you.